Hello students, once again I am before you with some more trigonometric formulas. Initially two formulas we have discussed. One is cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Another is sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. The proof of these two formulas has been given to you through YouTube videos. Now today I will discuss what are the use of these formulas. So suppose they want the value of cos 75 degree. So is 75 degree can be written as cos 45 degree plus cos 30 degree. Okay students? So x can be taken as 45 and y can be taken as 30 degree. Now this formula has become cos 75 degree can be modified in the form of cos x plus y. And what is the formula of cos x plus y? This is this one. So use the formula cos 45 degree cos 30 degree minus sin 45 degree sin 30 degree. Okay? The values of cos 45, cos 30 and sin 45, sin 30 you know. Put the values. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 30, what's the value of cos 30 students? The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Minus what's the value of sin 45? Obviously 1 by root 2. And what is the value of sin 30? This is 1 by 2. So now this will become root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay. Suppose they are asking the value of cos 15 degree. Okay. If they are asking the value of sin 75, then sin 75 can be written as sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now we will use the formula. If x is 45 and y is 30, then the formula is sin x plus y. And what is the formula of sin x plus y? This one. So it will become sin 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. Again you can put the value and do what I did here. So sin 75 can also be found out. Students, using these two formulas, some more formulas can be made. Replace y minus y. Okay? In this formula, you replace y by minus y. So it will become cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Similarly, when you replace y by minus y in this formula, formula number 2, it will become sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So we obtained the two formulas using these two formulas. Okay? Now what are the use of these two formulas? They can ask the value about cos 15 degree. So cos 15 degree can be written as cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. And if they are asking the value of sin 15 degree, then it can be written as sin 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay? So if x 45, y 30, okay, and here cos 15 and sin 15 both can be obtained, use formula cos x minus y and sin x minus y. Okay? You can find out this thing. It's not a big deal to do. Okay? Now again, further I am telling you some more things. Let us calculate the value of 10x plus y. It's a new thing what I am telling you. 10x plus y is equal to, it can be written as sin x plus y over cos x plus y. अरे भाई 10 का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 10 हमेशा sin अपॉन cos है. तो अगर 10x होता तो sin x अपॉन cos x, 10y होता तो sin y अपॉन cos y. अब जब 10x plus y है तो sin x plus y अपॉन cos x plus y. एंगल तो हम चेंज ही नहीं कर सकते. The value of sin x plus y is equal to what? Sin x plus y. You see, formula number 2, this is sin x plus y. So that will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y upon what is the formula of cos x plus y? This one, formula number 1. Put the value cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So students, to find out the value of 10x plus y, you need sin x cos x sin y cos y. 4 values you need. Certain times students are asking, sir, can this formula be further simplified? I said yes, of course it can be simplified. The students are asking how. So my answer is that divide. To simplify this formula further, divide both numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. This will be sin x cos y upon cos x cos y plus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. अरे भाई न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो न्यूमरेटर में जो भी टर्म्स होंगी सबको हम cos x cos y से डिवाइड करेंगे. इसी अकॉर्डिंग डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी टर्म्स हैं उनको हम सबको cos x cos y से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. तो cos x cos y इसको भी डिवाइड करेंगे cos x cos y माइनस sin x sin y अपॉन cos x cos y. ये तो पूरा ही कैंसिल है. cos y कैंसिल, cos x कैंसिल. नाउ sin x अपॉन cos x is 10x प्लस sin y अपॉन cos y 10y upon this is 1 not 0. Student, it is 1. Sin x upon cos x 10x and sin y upon cos y 10y. So we can write students 10 x plus y equal to this one. This is the formula we have constructed. And in this formula you need only two values. If you want to find out 10x plus y, then 10x plus 10y, 10x 10y. So you need only two values. Earlier at this point you were required 4 values. तो वहां 4 वैल्यूज चाहिए थी, अब 2 वैल्यूज चाहिए. तो थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट और सिंप्लीफाई हो गया, ज्यादा वैल्यूज की इसमें रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. तो दिस इज द सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म एंड यू फाइंड इन एनसीईआरटी दैट दिस फॉर्म इज गिवन. अब यू मे आस्क सर व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. सी स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि किस फॉर्मूले का क्या यूज है. और until and unless you don't know what is the use, you will not be able to distinguish which formula is to be used at what point. So suppose they are asking the value of 1075 degree. If they are asking the value of 1075, okay, so I am telling you the value of 1075, you have to wait till I erase the board. So if 1075, so 1075 can be written as 1045 degree plus 30 degree. X is 45, y is 30. 75 एक स्टैंडर्ड एंगल नहीं है, उसको हमने 45 प्लस 30 में कर दिया, तो 45 30 स्टैंडर्ड एंगल है जो आपने 10 में स्टडी करा है. 0 30 45 60 90 they all are standard angles. Okay, so using the formula of 10x plus y, what is the formula of 10x plus y? This one. So it will be 1045 degree plus 1030 degree upon 1 minus. See, 1 minus 10x 10y. So 1045 degree 1030 degree. अब देख लो स्टूडेंट्स, 0 से 90 तक के जो एंगल्स हैं उनके ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक वैल्यूज को लर्न करना कितना जरूरी है. इन 10th क्लास टीचर्स टोल्ड यू कि जरूरी है इसको लर्न करना, और सब उन्हीं का यूज है. सो 1045 इज 1 प्लस 1030 1 बाई √3 अपॉन 1 माइनस 1 इंटू 1060 रूट 1030 इट इज 1 बाई √3. ओके, इट इज 1 बाई √3. So finally it will become take LCM root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को पता है ये कैसे आया है, इतनी कैलकुलेशन तो आप सब लोग जानते ही हैं, इस तरह से आप कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द वैल्यू. इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं बट यहां तक छोड़ सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी took couple of more steps in the study of trigonometry by studying some more formulas.